Hey, Robert from Old Orchard Beach. Thanks for asking about our beautiful 2016 GLE, certified pre-owned. It is just a wonderful, lightly used car, a little over 24,000 miles. The nice thing about the 2016 is you have a lot of features on our newest vehicles, specifically the front anti-collision assist plus. We'll see a moose, a deer. We'll start to warn you and then put the brakes full on if need be. This also has lane tracking assist, you have blind spot, you have navigation, rear view camera of course, and the whole suite of Mercedes safety features that come standard. You might know our 4MATIC is, all four wheels are always driven. This car is biased a little bit, 55 back, 45 front. So unlike other systems where they're front wheel drive and they send a little bit of the power to the back, these wheels are always driven, which is very important in snow. Let's walk around the vehicle a little bit. Plenty of room in this. This has the built-in trailer package, including the wiring. Wonderful room in here. The seats will fold down to make an entirely flat area if need be. Take a look at the interior. It's the black Ambitex, which wears very, very well. It cleans up with a little dish soap and a cloth. It really is well done. Let me open the back door here. So plenty of room for rear seat passengers. Very comfortable. You have a nice sunroof. So let's go ahead and take it for a little ride around our lot and I'll point out some of the interior features, shall we? So we're in the vehicle now. A little bit of a cloudy day today, Robert. By the way, I'm here till 6 tonight if you can come up from Old Orchard Beach. Love to have you put your hands on the car and take it for a test drive. It really is a very, very clean vehicle, smoke-free, pet-free. I don't sense any of those, and I've been a lifelong non-smoker. You have the built-in nav here, very easy to control. All your controls are on the steering wheel. This side is going to be for your phone and audio, and this side is you can change out what appears here. Many people like it to be on the digital speedometer. Very, very quiet. This car has 302 horsepower. It's a 6-cylinder, a tried and true Mercedes engine. Let me tell you a little bit about the certified pre-owned. The base warranty is still in effect on this car, which is 4 years, 50,000 miles. You have the remainder of that. At the end of that, you get a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty, which is by Mercedes-Benz. It's good at any dealer in the country. Then those dealers will recognize that this is a CPO car and you'll be taken care of. You probably also know we have free loaners. We also have a free hand car wash every Saturday from 8 in the morning until 12. It's a hand car wash. Wonderful rolls inside and Starbucks coffee, so we invite you in every Saturday for as long as you own your car. So thanks, Robert. I'll give you a call after I send this and perhaps we can schedule a meeting later today or tomorrow. Again, it's Bob Holzhacker. My cell is 207-747-9714. Thank you.